let's look at actually finding the volume. And we want to look first at finding the volume of a right rectangular prism. Some of us may remember that most of the time our volume is equal to the length times the width times our height. So we have length, width, and height. Well, our length and our width, that is whatever our base is. So it's our base times our height. And the reason why we change it to our base for any type of prism or cylinder, it's the area of our base, is because maybe it's not a rectangle, maybe it's a square, maybe it's a cylinder, things like that. And then we multiply it by however tall it is. So we find the area of our base, and then we multiply it by our height. So let's look at the following examples. This cube. Well, the volume is going to be the base times the height, which the base is 6 times 6, and our height is 6. So 6 times 6 is 36, times 6 will be 216, and in this case it will be centimeters cubed, because I have 1, 2, 3 sets of centimeters that I've multiplied together. For this cylinder, I want to find the area of this circle, of my base. So the area of the circle is pi times the radius squared. And then I will multiply by my height. So I have pi times 2 squared, and then I multiply by however tall something is, which in this case is 4. So I have pi times 4 times 4, which gives me 16 pi, and this is in inches cubed. Now this rectangular prism, the area of my base, this rectangle here, is going to be 5 times 2, and then I multiply it by my height of 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 8 will be 80 yards cubed. So where we're looking at just any type of prism or cylinder, we just find the area of the base and then multiply it by the height, because we have a single standard uniform type of figure. There's nothing that's angled, there's nothing that's cut off, it's all the same height going up, it's all the same size going up, that type of thing. So right prisms and cylinders, and the reason why we say right is because they have right angles, there's no leaning towards them, anything of that nature.